Finike, a coastal town located in the Antalya province of Turkey, is known for its serene beauty, citrus orchards, especially its famous oranges, and rich historical background. Nestled between the Taurus Mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, it is a charming destination for those seeking both natural beauty and cultural heritage. Unlike some of its neighbours, Finike is unspoiled by mass tourism. The Belediye, or municipality, seems to have worked hard to keep it that way. The people living here tend to be mostly locals, and the atmosphere of the town is friendly and hospitable. Not many pushy salespeople trying to fleece the tourists in Finike. Finike, historically known as Phoenicus, has ancient roots that trace back to the Lycian civilization, which existed around 2000 BCE. Finike was one of the key harbours for Lycia, an ancient region renowned for its seafaring prowess. The town played a critical role as a trading port for various civilizations, including the Phoenicians, Romans and Byzantines. During the Roman era, Finike developed into a thriving port city. Its strategic location made it important in maritime trade routes. Over time, the town fell under Byzantine control and later became part of the Seljuk and Ottoman empires. The port's prominence diminished over the centuries, and today Finike is a quieter, less commercialised part of the Turkish Riviera, compared to nearby resorts like Kemer and Antalya. Finike's long sandy beach is a peaceful alternative to more commercialised areas. The waters are calm and ideal for swimming, making it a great place for families. The beach is also popular for windsurfing and other water sports. Finike Marina is a popular stop for yachts and boats cruising the Turkish coastline. It offers a relaxing atmosphere with cafes, restaurants and scenic views of the sea and surrounding mountains. It's also a good starting point for boat tours to explore nearby hidden coves and islands. Nearby attractions include Suluin Cave, one of the deepest underwater caves in Turkey. It's mainly a destination for experienced divers, but its surrounding natural beauty also draws visitors. Alacadağ National Park, just 15 kilometres from Finike, is perfect for hiking, picnicking and experiencing the rich flora and fauna of the region. The park offers numerous walking trails and the visitors can spot wildlife such as wild boar and various bird species. Finike is a quieter alternative to the bustling tourist towns of the Turkish Riviera, making it ideal for travellers who prefer a more laid-back, authentic experience. Its rich history, coupled with stunning landscapes, offers a perfect blend of cultural exploration and relaxation. Whether you're interested in delving into Lycian history, exploring unspoiled beaches, or simply enjoying the serene Mediterranean climate, Finike has something to offer.
Güneşle yıkanır portakal bahçeleri, denizle kucaklaşır sessiz geceleri. Taş evler fısıldar tarih kokusu, kalbimde büyür Finike'nin mavisi. O Finike toprakların sırrı, zaman ağır, sahil serin, gönül yarı. Rüzgar taşır dallardan tuzlu kokusunu. Finike'nin güzelliği sarar ruhunu. Gibi dallar, altın meyveleri, toprak ananın sesi esir kalbim. Sarmışık yollar, huzur dolu çağırır. Bu yörenin ışığı insanı bağırır. O Finike toprakların sırrı, zaman alır, sahil serin, gönül yarı. Rüzgar taşır dallardan tuzlu kokusunu. Finike'nin güzelliği sarar ruhunu. Dağların gökleri deler, zirveler cüretkan. Denizin usulca fısıltı yapar.
Finike is renowned for its juicy oranges, and visitors should definitely try the local orange juice, especially when visiting in season. The town is also known for fresh seafood, as it lies right on the Mediterranean, with local restaurants serving delicacies such as grilled fish, calamari and octopus.
Burası belediye kurulu. Her gün taze ekmek tutuyor. Her gün. Müşterilerimize o ekmekten veriyor. Ayşegül Hanım, burası meze bölümümüz. Müşterilerimiz ne isterse balığın yanına. Buradan profesyonel aşçılarımız var. Meze aşçılarımız var. Onlar burada hazırlığını yapıyor. Sabah da servise hazır oluyor. Özel mesela misafirlerimiz geldiğinde bizim kış bahçesi dediğimiz özel bir lojamız.